What's up, everybody? My name is Harry Weston, aka Full Out, from VersaStyle Dance Company, and welcome to Dance with VS, VersaStyle's online street dance tutorials. So happy to have you here with us. Today, we are going to learn the Roger Rabbit. Let's get to it. So the Roger Rabbit is one of the most famous dances from the 1980s. This was the one up there with the Running Man that everybody was doing when hip-hop social dances were first coming out. If you've ever seen the movie Who Framed Roger Rabbit, you know this is kind of where that move starts to come from. Yeah, the cartoon character named Roger Rabbit. So here's what we do with the mechanics of the movement. As always, we're using either a bounce or a rock, and in this move, we're using a little bit of both. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check out our other tutorials on the bounce and the rock to get you a little refresher. But we're going to use a basic rock, which looks like this, and we're just going to be using it with the chest, going back and forth, yeah? So that's the groove, that's the vibe, that's where we're starting, and that's what we're working with. Now, the tricky part about this movement is always going to be with the feet. So this is how the feet go, yeah? You're going to bring one foot back. I'm going to start on my right. You're welcome to start on your right as well, or your left, up to you. So I'm going to bring one foot back, bring my chest out like I'm ready to rock, boom, and then I replace it with the other foot, yeah? So I bring it back and replace. Try that again, and one. Cool? And then I cave in, and that's my rock, yeah? This is that movement, right? And one. Now to see it from the side so you can really see what's going on with my feet, I'm coming back with my right leg, and then I'm replacing it right behind my left. And one. And I'm kicking out the left, yeah? From the back, looks like this, and one, right? So let's try that. 5, 6, and ready, go, and one. Cool? Now from here, we just gotta switch it. You're gonna bring the left foot around, or that opposite foot, whatever foot you're starting with, and it's gonna come the same thing. You go back, and then now replace the other foot, the right foot for me. Boom. Right? So let's try that. On the right foot, on the left foot. 5, 6, ready, nice and slow, and 1, and 2, and a 5, 6, and do it again, and 1, and 2. Little faster, 6, ready, go, and 1, and 2. Now if you want, you can bend at the knee, or you can keep it straight. If you keep your leg straight, to me, from what I've seen, that's the real old school 80s way to do it. It's just straight with that leg, yeah? But if you want to bend the leg, you can do that as well. And it's just a little bit different of a vibe. Cool? So let's try 2 again. 5, 6, and ready, go. And 1, and 2. Cool. And you are using a little bit of a bounce on that opposite leg, right? That other leg is bent a little bit. Yeah, don't keep it all the way straight. All right? Try it again, just 2. 5, 6, and ready, go. And 1, and 2. Can we try 4? 5, I'll face the side this time. 5, 6, give me 4 in a row. And 1, 2, 3, 4. To the back. 5, 6, and ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sound good? Let's go a little faster, and we'll go a whole 8 count this time. 5, 6, and ready, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool, and as always, using that rock. So now we're gonna try it with some music. I'm gonna do 2 8 counts facing the front, I'll do 2 8 counts facing the back, and then we'll do maybe 3 to 4 8 counts of making it your own. Now that's the beauty of all these dances, is they are freestyle dances. They are meant to be done with people, in social settings, with your family, your friends, your community, right? That's the idea of all these dances, is to make them your own. You can double it up, change up the rhythm, change up the level, change up the style, totally up to you. So 2 8 counts front, 2 8 counts back, and then maybe 3 to 4 of making it your own. You're welcome to watch me, you're welcome to do it on your own, you can stop, rewind, do whatever you gotta do. All right? Let's go with some music. Here we go. Ready? And 5, 6, 7. your own. Ready? Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. And that's it. That's the Roger Rabbit. Hope you enjoyed it. As always, of course, pause, rewind, go back, watch it again, do it on your own, do it with friends, do whatever you got to do and have fun with it. I know this one can be a little tricky with the footwork, so please give yourself time. Take your time, be patient, and just practice, practice, practice. And before you know it, you'll have it. All right, feel free to like, comment, subscribe to the VersaStyle channel. We got lots of videos on hip hop dance, lots of videos on civics. We got all kinds of fun stuff coming out online these days. So be sure to check out the whole channel. And of course, you can find us on Facebook at VersaStyle Dance Company, on Instagram at VersaStyleLA, and you can find me on Instagram at FullOut89. We hope to see you again next time. Peace.